Mr. Baikal is chasing after the bird now. Full speed ahead. Too bad, can't catch the birds. But he's running at full speed now. He's coming after these pigeons. Okay, let's see what happened. Right, he's fast approaching. Okay. Yes. He's going full speed ahead. Poor Mr. Baikal didn't know that they are able to fly and he's unable to catch them. Okay, another batch this time. Baikal! Still not happy. We're going to give them a chase. Well, this is how living with nature is experiencing his life now in wild and free Kyrgyzstan, Bishkek.